we go. Okay, 14 says if 3x minus y is equal to 12, what is the value of 8 to the x over 2 to the y? So there are numerous ways you can do this. I'm going to try to show you the easiest way. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually solve for y. It's by itself right here. So I'm just going to isolate it on one side of the equation. So I'm going to add it to the other side. So you're going to end up with 3x is equal to 12 plus y. And then I'm going to subtract the 12 over. Subtract 12 on both sides, and you end up with something like this. So now what I'm going to do is substitute that y in that 3x minus 12 into the, where it says 2 to the y, I'm going to put it in that y right there. And you're going to end up with 8 to the x power over 2 to the 3x minus 12. Okay. Now, based on your exponent properties, you should remember, like if you had something like x to the a over x to the b, it's equal to x to the a minus b. Okay, but if you notice, the bases are the same. Okay, and if you forgot this, that's totally okay. Just make sure you're reviewing it now. So the bases are the same on these. So when that happens, you can subtract. Well, the problem is these bases are not the same. One's 2 and one's 8. So what you can do is you can make them both 2. I'll show you how to do that. So what you can do is you can turn that 8 into a 2 to the third, because 2 to the third power is 8. Okay, here, let me do a different color. So this is color coded here. We got 2 to the third to the x. Okay, so this 2 to the third is the same as this 8 right here. And you do have to do it in parentheses though. So it's 2 to the third. And then here we're still going to divide by 2 to the 3x minus 12. Okay. Now there is another exponent property that you can use when it's a power of a power. And when it's a power of a power, what you can do is just multiply the powers. Okay. And then we're still dividing by 2 to the 3x minus 12. Well, what's cool about this is now we can use this property right here, this equation, because now we have the same bases. They're both 2. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say it's, oops, let's do color coding here. So it's going to be equal to 2 to the 3x minus, so we're doing the top one, just like we did a here, minus b, so we're minusing the thing on the bottom, which is all of this right here. Now you have to subtract all of it, so put it in parentheses, like that. Okay, and then from here, the 3x is going to cancel, and you're left with a negative here, so it's going to be positive. But the negative 3x and positive 3x cancel, so you're left with 2 to the 12th for your final answer. So the answer is A.